guys, so today we're going to be doing Sprite challenge but with Fanta.
I'm not good with fizzy.
She hates fizzy, so don't know how she's going to react to this. Let's go! But if we need breaks of bravers and just and then go. Okay, ready? 3. We have all this little things.
I need to know.
It's really cool. She's going to go to the toilet and we're just going to wait for a minute. So let me just introduce ourselves. So this is Lila. She's a ballerina cappuccino. She loves cat time. I love cat time, so. Why does it do little squares over our heads? I mean, all of our fantasies come true. Oh, what you do? Why'd you? Okay, I think Lex coming out the toilet now. Yeah, I'm Lila.
I just shooted.
Ow! I just burped out the other end. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, oh, this is Lex. Yeah. And if we might be sick, then please.
What?
If we be sick, then it's not our fault. Oh, Deja Fanta's disgusting. I hate orange.
You're not supposed to go yet. Oh my god. I needed to let it out. I'm just coming out the other end as well. Don't do it yet.
Oh my god, what do I do?
I can't do this anymore.
It does burn, doesn't it?
It does. It sips.
Oh, that's just cheating.
Huh? Oh my god.
I'm trying to drink the whole one without burping. I'm gonna be sick in a minute. I burped.
I like burping. That's nice.
Yours is passing my hair. I think it was a bogey actually. Do the dance break.
No.
Oh god. Let Lex look
Here it
in.
comes.
I'm gonna do the biggest one. Same.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you finish that, come yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. Come on, my friends. Lila.
It's not filming anymore.
Here it is.
It is.
It goes red when it's not.
It's coming at the other end as well.
Just, Hallie, it's not good to not burp. Burp it out.
Burp it out!
I want another can.
No.
I'm
Did you
done.
finish it?
Are you done?
No, you're not.
You
You
still haven't.
haven't even got a straw.
I know, I'm slipping up.
Oh god.
When I breathe, it feels so tight.
What was that?
And apparently you're meant to feel like you're dying. I don't want to die. Oh, my stomach hurts.
I don't feel like I'm dying.
Oh. Okay. Let's come out there. 3, 2, 1. Then why is that so boyish?
Right. That's because. Wait. Come out the
What do
other
I do?
What did I do? Oh, look at my call check.
No, Hallie actually stop. Play pretend.
Stop!
Oi!
It's one of mine.
Don't start all that. No.
That's not good for my stomach. I'm dying.
How much have you got left? A lot, like
Mine's gone.
You lot better all have tea before you go to bed.
so much. We will, don't worry. You've been sick. Oh, what? Wait, hold on. You good, Hallie? I think she's okay. She's nearly all gone.
Actually, put your rubbish in the bin. You come to
We're not
bed.
done yet.
Alright.
Right, I dare you to chug it. I can't chug it. It hurts my throat. It hurts my throat as well, but like, are you doing it? Okay. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Is it's still just the same effect as Sprite. Hopefully. Heard that.
Did you hear my little burps? I want another can, guys. Can I have another can?
What?
Can I have another can?
No.
Why?
That's not good.
You're
Please.
too much air. Oh, I need a poo now.
Just one
Think I
more.
might float. There's too much air in us.
Hamburger, cheese, Should you do it with water, or is that not going to work? No, it's not fizzy.
It's not gonna work, Hallie.
It does work.
You swallow air with it.
Sprout it all over the
How shiny, how shiny, how shiny, how shiny. Oh yeah, I know how to do that. How shiny, how shiny, how shiny, how shiny. Shiny. Shiny, how shiny, how shiny. How shiny. 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 Friends talk in school.
Oh, heck no.
Oh heck no. I can feel my acid.
Use it. Oh, Vecna.
Wait. Oh. I'm not gonna try.
I'm taking
Wait.
the straw off. I'm taking my
Listen,
straw.
guys. Listen. Listen, guys.
Oh.
My iPad! Wait, let me smell my iPad.
No.
She farted it on my iPad. I'm so sorry, guys.
Oh, lay down.
Wait. She just pulled my shoulders down. Wait. Look who's back room. Okay, last one.
Oh my god! I just gagged by accident on purpose. I'm sitting down. Stop!
I'm nearly done, but I don't know how to get it.
Why do I keep faking gagging?
It's not a gag, you got.
We're ready, look ready. I like, look ready. I got it ready.
I'm bloated. My toe. What did you do if that's sick on you? Look, it can't taste chemically now. Can't taste chemically. It's like chemicals. Yeah, it's like chemicals. What are you doing? You're filming.
We're gonna stop it when it goes to 10 minutes.
No.
Ever get your babs out?
Burps out. Oh, there we go, I got it off.
Guys, my eyebrow hairs are falling out due to stress. Ready, look. 3.
Oh, heck no.
Oh, Vecna.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I'm done. Wait. No, just let all my burp out. Put that in the wash. Is it all gone? Yeah? Oh, whoops. Forgot about that one. Okay, now, if you will excuse me,
I don't pause
will
yet.
be going to have the biggest poo in my whole mouth. Excuse me. I'm my